Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how you can lock any of your app in your iPhone. What you need to do is just find the shortcut app in your iPhone. For example, in my case, it is in the utilities box, for example like this, and this is the app, shortcut. If you have downloaded it, most probably it will be into your phone. And if it isn't in your phone, you need to go to your app store and download it. For example, I'm opening this app and you see that under the app section there is automation. Just tap on this and a screen will like this come up. You see, if you have already set up any of your automation, that's good, but you see in the right side of your phone there is a positive sign. You can add anything new. For example, we are going to add any of the app which we are going to lock. For example, I want a certain thing with the camera, so I need to swipe up and you need to find the app section here. You see, in the app we are going to run immediately, and then we are going to choose the app which we want to hide or lock or whatever we want to. For example, we are selecting the camera. Tap on it, select done, next. You see that in this screen there is a new blank automation. Just tap on it. Here, lock screen, tap on it and done. So it means that when I open my camera, it will automatically take me to the lock screen to unlock it, and that's how I can lock the app in my iPhone using shortcuts. So let's try it. Let's try it now. Now I have opened my phone and I'm going to open the camera app just like this, and yes, it's working and it has taken me to my lock screen. It will ask me if I have enabled the Face ID. It will ask me to open it with the Face ID or a camera like this. So that's how I can I can lock any of my app in my iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.